Got a check engine light and a P0420 code on your Buick Encore or Chevy Trax? Before you drop a fortune on a new catalytic converter, there might be a much cheaper fix. In this video, we'll walk you through a factory software update from GM that just might clear that code. No parts needed. Let's get into it. Telelink. Let's go ahead and move this stuff over. We're gonna latch our door here, we don't like those dings. Old Faithful setup. All right, so let's go to add our VIN here. This vehicle having a P0420, there is a good reason to check for the latest software update. Make sure it has the latest calibration inside the ECM. They already put catalytic converter in here, I think like they said 2 years ago. So there's a good chance it needs to have the software updated and it's not up to date. So we're going to get through this. First time I've used SPS today. So it's going to have to do its updates. And regardless if you have all, like I don't have GDS2, all right, but it still makes me do the updates for it. Gotta love it. Look at that. We got in first try. Can you believe it? (2013) Buick Encore, front-wheel drive, Quicksilver metallic. Let's go to SPS. We're going to go to replace and reprogram. Make sure the light's off, the AC is off, the radio is off, no dome light, no power consumers at all. This makes us do engine and transmission. Programming. So we will be able to see that we have the latest software in both. I mean, I guess we might as well do both if we're going to do one. Okay, so under engine control module, let's see here. There's only one calibration for main operating, unrecognized cal. So this one is old. This is the latest calibration, 7384, is new calibration to prevent potential engine stall. As you can see, we have 821, which is the older calibration. Here we have 917. 917 is the older calibration, so same thing, there's an update to prevent an engine stall. All right, same thing, engine stall. And here's our P0420 fault. New calibration with diagnostic enhancements for P0420. That's 465. We currently have 288. 288 is back here for start of production. This thing has never been updated. Engine stall, and we have 914. 914 is 3 up. Slave operating engine. Okay, so there is an update for the ECM. Now let's see if there's any updates for the TCM. No. All right, here we go. So I'm going to get my screenshots in real quick. Let's get back on it. Let that run through. Meanwhile, P0420, technical service bulletins, just go there. 18NA331 was RPO LUV, which is what we have. 420 may be caused by a software anomaly. An updated software calibration has been released to address this condition. So, there you have it. Anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to take this, we're going to type it into Google. Let's see what we find. This is correct. Technical Service Bulletin, 18NA331, November 2018. RPO LUV. Exactly what we needed. Perfect. So this TSB was for our exact vehicle. Cheverolet Encore 2013 with a 1.4 engine and the RPO code LUV. And we had the P0420. Oh, I guess it's going to write to the TCM. Normally it skips right over it. Interesting. Now we're back on the scan tool. We're going to go key on. Keys on, and we're going to clear our faults. Cycle our key off. Go ahead and start it up. What do we got? No faults. So obviously a P0420, you've got to do your test drive and get the fault code criteria to trip. They're gonna have to do that. I'm not doing that. I updated it. We're done. So this is most likely going to fix this vehicle. Thanks for watching. If you're driving a Buick Encore or a Chevy Trax with a P0420 code, make sure your ECM is running the latest software before replacing any parts. Technical Service Bulletin 18-NA-331 could save you a lot of money. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-world diagnostics and programming, and let us know in the comments if you've run into this issue before.